Okay. Cool. Let's move on to problem number 30. For problem number 30, we're given the equation above y equals x squared minus a, where a is a positive constant, and the graph of the equation in the xy plane is a parabola. Which of the following is equivalent to that? Well, I don't know if you guys recognize this, but this is a difference of squares. It's this one because we're going to, you basically, the difference, if I say a squared minus b squared, then it's a plus b times a minus b. But here's the interesting thing. You could think of this in terms of a squared minus b squared is equal to a squared, and then you take the square root of that, plus b squared, take the square root of that, times a squared, take the square root of that, minus b squared, take the square root of that. Those two are the same thing. So really my answer is B, because we're just going to take the square root of A. Now what we could do to verify that is I could just multiply it out and see what we get. So if I say x plus the square root of A times x plus the square root of A, I get x times x is x squared. One of these has to be negative, sorry. And then x times the square root of A, and then negative x, the square root of A. And then what's the square root of A times the square root of A? Yeah, negative square root of A squared, which is just, it's just A, right? So this whole thing becomes negative A. Right? Now what happens with these middle terms? When I have a positive x times the square root of A and a negative x times the square root of A. In other words, if I take an x square root A and put it in my hand, then I take one x square root of A away, what do I have? Nothing. Zero. Those cancel each other. And guess what I'm left with? That. Think this is a game? Think I'm playing around?
Yeah.